What if I told you the smallest frog on Earth is smaller than a dime? Yep, it's real. Let's hop into the world of Paedophryne amoensis. This mini marvel was discovered in Papua New Guinea, and get this, it's only about 7 millimeters long, that's less than half an inch. Even a coin looks huge next to it. Despite its size, this frog is a survival pro, blending perfectly into leaf litter to hide from predators. And its tiny croak? Almost impossible to hear. So, next time you think small things can't make a big splash, remember the Paedophryne amoensis, the world's tiniest frog. Now you know.